Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you all through Microsoft Teams. This will be the first of many videos that I have planned to publish on Microsoft Teams. First and foremost, let's look at why Microsoft Teams. Because Microsoft Teams is considered to be one of the go-to solutions or tools when it comes to remote work today. When you look at the current context where almost all the countries are impacted by this COVID-19 situation, and globally many of us are working from home and are in need of a secure solution or a tool to accomplish our day-to-day communication and collaboration needs with our team, our colleagues and our employees. So considering this, Microsoft Teams becomes one of the most sought after tools that is available today. So what is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a hub for teamwork. It's an app that helps you pull together a team and work together using chat instead of emails and channels instead of just files and folders. Basically, it's a workspace for you and your team can securely edit files at the same time and see likes, mentions, and replies with just a single tap. It's a place that your team can make its own by adding notes, websites, apps, and because it's in the cloud, it lets everyone work together no matter where they are. It's a solution that runs from anywhere using any device to make you and your team to be more productive. So in this video, let's explore Teams in Microsoft Teams. So what is a team? A team is a collection of people, conversations, files, and tools all in one place. You can build them by topic, department, project, or it can just be for fun. Right? As long as it makes sense to you, you can create them. So as the first step, let's look at how to create a team. You will be clicking on join or create a team. Right? In my screen, you would be able to see a few tiles here. First one is create a team. Second is join a team with a code. Then you will see quite a lot of teams that are already created. Now all of these teams are called public teams. Anyone who is interested in a particular topic could go in and join the team. In most of the fresh installed Microsoft Teams, you would only see this and this tile where you would be able to create a team. So all these are pre-created or pre-populated teams by my organization. So to create a team, I am going to click on create a team. So I have two options here. One, to build from scratch. Two is to create from an existing Office 365 group or team. So if I have an Office 365 group or team, I can create my team from that. For this particular demo, I'm going to click on build a team from scratch. I have three options here. Most of y'all will only see two, private and public, because organization-wide team creation is only applicable or available for the global administrator. So when I create a team using organization-wide, so automatically all the employees in my organization will be added to that particular team, right? And it will be created. Here, the public team option is what I explained to you earlier. So all these teams which were created in the previous screen are public teams which are created by different people in my organization and made them public teams so that anyone who is interested in that particular topic can go and join and learn or share details and so on. So for this particular demo, I'm going to create a private team. I'm going to give it a name. I can put up a description, click create. From this screen, I can add the users whom I want to make them members or owners of this team, right? So I'm going to add Alex. I'm going to add Manoj. Both of them are from my organization. And also, I can add external people to be part and parcel of my team. Why is it important? Because to collaborate, sometimes you may not only need people from your organization, you may also require people who are external to your organization, right? So here I'm going to add a person with a Hotmail account. Yes, add as guest and add. Now if you see, people from my organization will have the ability to be selected either as members or as owners to a particular team. The external person can only be as a guest in the team. Right? So based on the roles that I'm going to select here, the rights or user permissions will differ. Now my team is created. I can drag and take it to the top so it is easier for us to navigate, and you will be able to expand these teams and see what is inside. So when I create a team, by default a channel is automatically created called general, right? And these are called tabs inside a team. By default you get the post, you get files, wiki, right? And I can click on the plus sign here and add multiple other apps that are available. So these apps, some are built by Microsoft, some are from third party. I can select whichever the app that I want and add them up to my team so that it is available to everyone. So once I create the team, now I can have a conversation going on with everyone. I can tag it and start messaging them. And then others will be able to maintain replies under that as a thread so that all the conversation becomes organized. I can edit messages, delete messages, save messages, and share a particular message to Outlook as well from here. So in this case, I'm going to edit this particular message. Done. In a team, I can format a particular message by clicking on this formatting icon. So here, by default, I can start a new conversation. I can put up a subject and then have a conversation starter. Let's say this is so here I can select whether everyone can reply or only moderators can reply, and I can also post this to multiple channels. And this is a conversation, and I can also post an announcement. Similar to this, I can click on announcement and I can have a big headline. Customize the image, click on that. So now what happens is it gets posted as an announcement and it gets notified. And also I can attach files and folders by clicking on this, right? And it can be from my OneDrive, from my local computer, from other channels, from or Teams, from Microsoft Teams, right? Or the recently used one. And also I can upload files by going into files here, clicking on new, and I can create files, or I can click on upload and I can select and upload files. Coming back to the post, I have emojis here. Inside Teams, I can share emojis, I can share GIFs, right? Like this, and I can even do stickers. If I want to schedule a meeting with everyone in the team, I can click on Meet Now. Through which I can put up a subject, click on Schedule Meeting, add the attendees whom I want to add, date and time. If it's a recurring meeting, I can select the recurrence. Since I created the meeting from the Teams and the channel, it is been visible here. I can put the details or the agenda and click send. And if I want, I can go into scheduling assistant and I can see everybody's availability and click send. So the moment I send this meeting request, it automatically goes inside my Teams calendar as well as everybody's Outlook calendar. So this icon is stream. So I can access my stream where I can have videos published and I can access them through so there are other apps that are available that is that I can use inside this particular team. That's what I wanted to show in this video, where I want to give you an introduction to what Teams is and how to create a team. In my next video, I will be talking to you and I'll be showing you on how to create channels and the different types of channels that are available. And also in the subsequent videos, I will also be showcasing to you how to add apps and how to be more productive using Microsoft Teams. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please click like and subscribe for the channel.